Hello everyone, I am Priyanshu Patel, pursuing mechanical engineering in LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. So basically, what is STOM? To study about the various mechanisms and workings, we study theory of machines, which is also known as STOM. Theory of machines is further divided into two parts, namely, the first is kinematics of machine and second one is dynamics of machine. First one, kinematics of motion. Kinematic of machine, which relates up to different type of links, gears, cams, etc. With different kind of machines, mechanisms, etc. Whereas dynamics of machines, which relates with the mass of the body. Togetherly, kinematic of machines relate with the links and its forces, and similarly, dynamics of machines relates with the mass applied on the system. Togetherly, it makes the whole subject as theory of machines. So now I am going to discuss about my project. The name of the project is gear driven or gear powered door. Now what is that? Gear powered door means the door which is being powered or driven by the gear mechanism. So I will now explain about the whole construction and manufacturing of this project. So here is the base. The material of the base is plywood. Now why plywood? Plywood will give the dead weight to the whole project just to maintain the center of gravity. Now why it is been done? As we know that the geometry of the whole project can disturb and it can just displace out the center of gravity. So how it is being maintained? Here we can say the plywood has the more weight as compared to these woods. Now just see. As I just opened the door, it has been completely open. Now see. The project has not been laid at one side, which indicates that the whole project has a perfect center of gravity at its center, right over here, which means it will not let this lean at one side. It will always balance the whole project. If rather the door is open or closed, no matters. So here was my construction of the project. So now we will discuss about the working of the project. So how will it work? So first of all, I have given this handle just to pull out the doors. So how it is going to? A gear has been attached to the door and the second gear is attached to the handle. When I rotate the handle clockwise motion, the second gear will open the door in the anti-clockwise direction due to the two gear matching in the one place. Two gears means the directions are opposite in nature. So when I will rotate the handle counterclockwise, the mechanism, the second gear will try to get to rotate in the clockwise direction to close the door. To close the door. So now I will explain about the gears. Here I have used the spur gears. Now what are spur gears? Spur gears in which the teeth of the spur gears are in the longitudinal or we can say in the straight 90-degree form. Now the second one is bevel gears. If we look into the 2D form, we will observe the bevel gear in the form of trapezoid form. The bevel gears are used to transmit the power at an angle like 90 degrees. Third gears are the helical gears. Helical gears are a type of gears in which the teeth of the gears are in the angular form like 30 degrees, 20 degrees. These are the medium power transmission which can give the RPM of 200 to 400 RPMs. And then the fourth one is the herringbone gear. Herringbone gear is also known as double helical gears, in which the teeth of the herringbone gear will form a V shape. These are the fastest gears which are being used in the automobile sections. Where they have been used? The gearbox of the automobiles contains the herringbone gears because it have to be rotated in the faster rate to give a good speed to the car. And the last one is the worm gear. The worm gear are being used to give the slow speeds but in the perpendicular directions. Like suppose this is the worm and this is the worm wheel. When the worm is being rotated, the worm will exactly rotate in the perpendicular direction like this. If the worm rotates like this, then the worm will be rotated in the perpendicular direction. Wherever they used to give the power in the perpendicular direction to the applied force. So, at last but not least, we will be understanding about the applications of this project. As we know, every project has its own applications. So, the applications of this project, the geared power door, is mainly of the commercial use, like in shops, in warehouse, or in kind of any kind of factories also. We can also use these kind of projects in workshops to enclosure of this. So this was my project. The name of the project was Gear Power Door. I hope you will like this project. Thank you.